Here are the bulbs for the Honda Fit. To access it, we have to first open up the hatch. So let's go ahead, open the hatch. Now we need to get the light out. For that, we need to take out two screws, 1 and 2. For that, you can either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 8mm socket ratchet combination. Either one of them works. The screws are not on there pretty tightly, so they'll come off pretty easily. Get them off, keep them aside. Now grab the light and rock it side by side. Get it loose, and then grab it and then push it to the back of the car, like straight, and it'll come out. Now set the light on its side. That's the bulb for the turn signal. Just grab it and twist it left to loosen it, and now it's loose and it comes right out. To get the bulb out, just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb, but it'll come out. The bulb size is 7440. Check the link in description to buy the new bulb from Amazon, and then simply push it down back into the bulb holder. When you put it back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning like this before it just drops in, just like that. At this point, you can twist your right to lock it, and you are done. Now put the light in position. What you have to focus on is this cutout that's on the light. It needs to slide onto that white clip that's on the body. Only then will the light stay in place and won't like stick out and look flush. So that's what you want to focus on when you're putting the light back in. So keep an eye on that cutout and then slide the light back into the body. Like, give it a push, keep an eye on that cutout there, and when it's in place, it won't be sticking out. See, it's looking flush. It's in place, it's not moving. That's good. Now give it one final push and it's locked in place. Get the two screws back in place. Hand tighten them first and then tighten them down using the socket ratchet combination or the screwdriver. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.